In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. Tap at three lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Account Center, tap at Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, and then Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose an account you would like to delete. You can choose any of your accounts associated with that particular Meta account center. So if you want, you can delete even Facebook account from here, but I'm gonna choose my current Instagram account. After that, on that step, we need to choose whether we want to deactivate or delete our Instagram account. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. If you would like to delete your account, select the second option and tap at Continue. Then choose any option from that list, scroll down and tap at Continue again. Continue. On that step, we need to enter Instagram password in that field, and once you've done that, tap at Continue. That is the final step, and it says that if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted after 30 days. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then, and you can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. If you would like to delete your account, tap at that button.